In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule financial reports in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure your reports arrive on time and in the right format. First, open your browser and search for Zoho. Head to the official Zoho website and sign into your account. Use your usual work credentials and choose the organization you want to work with if you have access to more than one. Once you're in the Zoho home screen, you'll see a grid of apps. Select Books to open Zoho Books. Inside Zoho Books, look for the Reports section. You can usually find it in the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your financial statements and analytics live, from profit and loss to balance sheet, sales, purchases, and more. Choose the exact report you want to schedule. For example, if you want a recurring profit and loss statement, open that report and set any filters you need, such as date ranges, branches, or specific segments. Getting the report looking right before scheduling helps ensure the emailed version matches your expectations. At the top of the report page, click the Schedule Report option. This opens a pop-up window where you'll set the automation details. You'll start by choosing the schedule frequency that fits your workflow. Pick weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Think about your accounting cycle here. For instance, monthly is perfect for month-end closes, while quarterly aligns with management reviews. Next, set the start date and time for when the first report should be generated. Make sure the time zone reflects your organization's settings so the email lands when your team expects it. Early morning scheduling is often useful, so reports are ready at the start of the workday. Add the email recipients who should receive the report. You can include internal stakeholders or external advisors as needed. Enter valid email addresses and double-check spelling to avoid delivery issues. If your organization has distribution lists, those can simplify maintenance over time. Choose the format that works best. PDF is great for a polished, read-only summary. CSV is ideal for raw data that you want to analyze in spreadsheets or import elsewhere. XLS gives you a formatted spreadsheet that's easy to tweak and share. When everything looks good, click Save to activate the schedule. You should see a confirmation that the report is now set to run automatically. If you ever need to change the timing, recipients, or format, return to the same report and adjust the schedule settings. That's all it takes to keep your financial team and stakeholders consistently informed with automated, reliable reporting.